Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss editing in Microsoft Word 2010. So students, first we will discuss Microsoft Word as a word processor application software. It is a part of Microsoft Office Suite 2010. It means package. It is used to create many types of documents such as letters, books, articles, reports. It provides many features that help us to make a document professional. Let's start the practical. First, to open the MS Word. So how can we open it? Click on the start button and then after that click on all programs and click on Microsoft Office and click on Word 2010. Now see, the processing will start. This is your Word. So it takes time to start the processing and to open. So now click on blank document. So this one is your blank document, students. So all these are your themes, pre-designed format, templates, but there is no need to click on it. We will click on blank document. Now see, this is your blank document. Student, this one is your document area where you will start and type your data. This is your ruler bar. These are your tabs: home tab, insert tab, design tab, layout, reference, mailing. So all these are your tabs. So this one is your home tab. After clicking on the tab, you will get your options and groups. See, this one is your font group option and this is your paragraph group options. Okay students, so this one is your cursor. This blinking line is known as cursor. See, so now how to open the document? Click on new and this is your new document to create your data and write your content. So this one is the task to open your new document. So see, now your document is ready to enter the data. Done. And next student, see, these one are your tabs. How many pages and how many new documents you have opened. So click on this and after clicking on your that one document will be activated. So see, now you can type any content whatever you want. So see, we have typed this one content and after typing this content, student, now we will go to the another option. So click on new and then after that click on save. After clicking on the save, you will browse. Now see, and choose your location where you want to save your file. So type your name where you want to save, select your location and now see, we will write down the name of your document and automatically it consider extension of your file. There is no need to mention the extension and click on save. Now your file has been saved. Clear student? This one is your saved file and now your document is ready to use of future. In future, if you want to use this file, then you can use it very easily. Clear? And the shortcut key to open the new document, Ctrl+N. This is the shortcut key to create a new document and Ctrl+S to save your document. So student, these are your shortcut keys. By using these one shortcut key, there is no need to go to the option and no need to open your step by step processing. And next shortcut key Control plus W. Control plus W is used to closing your document. Okay. So these one are your shortcut keys, and again you need to go to the new, and after that click on new, it means file tab, and then after that click on close. Now this one dialog box asks you to save your document. If you want to save your document, click on save. If you don't save your document, then click on don't save. So choice is yours. Whatever you want to do with your document, then you can. Okay, so this one is your slider view. By using this slider view, you can zoom your document. See, this is your ruler bar, navigation pan, and see, we have zoomed our document by using the slider, zoom slider. Okay, these are your views. So in which view you want to view your document. See, and then after that, this one is your save document, undo, redo. So these are your options, and this one is your minimize, maximize, and close your document. This one is your ruler, so you can rule your document. This one is your left ruler, this one is your top ruler. So whatever changes you want to do in your document, then you can. Done. And then after that you can close your document without saving or with saving. So see, we have closed our document. So document area disappear from your document area. Now see, the processing is going on, and then after that, now processing is going on, students, and then after some changes will appear, and if you want to open your MS Word again, then you can very easily click on start button, and this one is your saved file. See, so choose your location where you have saved your document, then navigation pan. So navigate your document and select your document whatever you have created earlier, and click on it, and then after that you will see your MS Word saved document will open. See, this is your document, and then whatever changes you want to do again in your file, then you can. See, we have written this content, and then after that, student, in your MS Word you can do many tasks. You can make your document attractive and effective. So see, again go to the all program, and then after that click your MS Word. See, after clicking on it, we can open it. See, this is your Word, and choose your document, whatever document you have created, and then after that, student, this is the list of your Word document. See, okay, so this one task is completed, and then after that you need to search your document. So we are having so many options. See, this is your Word document, recent Word document, whatever you have created, and now start on screen keyboard. If your keyboard is not working, then you can open your on screen keyboard. This is your window button. This is your okay. So this one keyboard works just like your physical keyboard. So you can use on screen keyboard also to type your content, to enter your content in your computer. So this one is very easy. We are having two options. Now if you want to search anything, so you can click on the run, and by using this option you can open and search your desired application. So we have searched MS Word. Thank you, students.